Hello, welcome back to a new class. We'll be practicing a full body energizing morning flow surrounded by this beautiful nature. A 20-minute sequence to help you awaken and ground your energy for the day ahead. So meet me standing at the back of the mat. Bring your feet under your hips, soft bend in the knees. Lengthen through your spine, and as you inhale, reach your arms up overhead, palms touch. And as you exhale, bring the hands down in front of your chest. Place one hand on your heart, one on your belly, or you can just let them rest alongside your body, with the palms facing forward and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and let's take a few grounding breaths together here. Take a slow deep breath in, hold it at the top. Exhale, side out the mouth. Deep breath in. Hold it. Exhale out the mouth. 3 more here, but this time in and out through the nose in your own time. Last one, breath in and let it all out. Slowly open your eyes and let's awaken our body with some side stretches. Reaching your arms up, grab your left wrist and open your left foot to the side, keeping the heel lifted. Root down through the right leg and take a side bend to the right. Breathing and feeling the stretch in the left side body. Inhale to come back up, plant your left foot down and bring your right toes out, grabbing the opposite wrist. Take a side bend to the left. Come back to center and this time step your left foot in front of the other, leaning over to the right. Back to center, now step walk right foot forward, side bend to the left. One more each side until you arrive at the top of the mat. Release the hands down, hinge from the hips and fold forward over the legs. Soften the knees if you need to, let your upper body hang heavy for a moment. Halfway lift, now bend into the left knee, straighten the right leg, bring your left fingertips down and reach the right arm up. Gaze up at the sky, breathe into the twist. As you exhale, release your right fingertips down, now bend into the right knee and inhale the left arm up high. As you exhale, release the left arm down, bend both knees and slowly lift up into chair pose, placing your hands on top of the thighs. As you inhale, lift your chest and arc your back, gaze up, open your heart. Exhale, round the spine, draw the chin towards the chest. Inhale, open chest forward, tailbone back. Exhale, round, navel to spine. One more, inhale, lift the heart, lift the gaze. Exhale, round through the back, chin to chest, warming up the spine here. Exhale, straighten the legs and fold forward. On your next inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, plant your palms and step back into plank. Inhale, slide forward. Exhale, bend into the elbows for chaturanga. Inhale, open the heart into upward facing dog. Exhale, hips back, downward facing dog. Maybe here start pedaling out the feet, waking up the hamstrings and taking one full breath in. With your next inhale, walk your feet forward to the top of the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift up arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart, bend your knees and sit your hips back into chair. Stay here for 2 rounds of breath and let's take eagle arms. Wrap your right arm underneath your left, lift your elbows a little, look up, feeling the opening through the shoulder blades here. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, step your right foot straight back into high lunge, keeping your eagle arms as you land. Front knee stacks over the ankle, back leg strong, heel lifted, gazing up for a small back bend. Inhale and pivot your back foot so it is flat on the mat at 90-degree angle. Release the arms wide to a T shape and open your hips to the side into Warrior 2. Torso facing the long side of the mat. Settle your gaze over the left fingertips, palms down. Feel your legs strong and steady, spine tall. Reversing the warrior, flip your front palm to the sky, right hand slides down the back leg. Exhale, reach up and back. Look up towards the left hand. Keep the front knee bent and rooted. On your next inhale, straight on the front leg, reach forward with your left hand, long through the side body. And exhale, left hand to shin, block or the floor, wherever you can reach. Right arm stretches to the sky, triangle pose here. Draw the shoulder blades away from your ears. One more breath here, feeling the length through both sides of the torso. On your next inhale, lower right arm down, squaring your chest towards your front leg. Heel toe the back foot in slightly to shorten the stance. Exhale and fold over your front leg into pyramid pose. Let the spine lengthen with every inhale and soften deeper with every exhale. Inhale, lift halfway up, walk your hands to the inside of your front foot and slowly turn your whole body to face the long edge of your mat. Bring your hands to your hips, inhale, lift up with a flat back. Now let's take those eagle arms again, right arm underneath the left. Inhale, lift your elbows, lift the chest, gaze up. Exhale, hinge from the hips to slowly fold forward into your wide-legged forward fold. Breathe into the upper back, allowing the shoulder blades to open. Exhale, let it go. Gently release the arms down towards the mat, lifting halfway up. Take one more breath here, letting the spine lengthen. And with your exhale, walk your hands towards your right foot, stepping back into plank. Strong and steady. Exhale, lower halfway, chaturanga. Inhale, lift the heart, lift the chest, upward facing dog. Exhale, send the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Stay here for 2 breaths, maybe pedal out the feet a little, maybe keep a soft bend in the knees. From your down dog, step or walk your feet to the front of the mat, finding a forward fold again. Inhale, lift your arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, bend the knees, sink your hips back into chair. Hands in front of your heart, staying here for 1 breath. This time, wrap your left arm underneath your right for eagle arms. Lift the elbows, lift the chest, slightly feel the upper back widen. And when you're ready, step your left foot back into high lunge. Again here, inhale, lift the chest, gentle back bend, look up. Exhale, sink into the lunge. Inhale to open to the side for Warrior 2, gazing over the front hands, shoulders are relaxed. Knees stacked over the ankles, strong through the legs. Inhale to flip your palm for reverse warrior, reach up and back, gazing towards the right fingertips. Stay here for a breath, strong and steady. Exhale, straighten your front leg. Now reach forward and down into triangle pose. Left arm goes up, chest is open. Find length through both sides of the waist. Inhale, pivot the back foot, shorten your stance, squaring your hips to the front. Exhale, fold over the front leg for pyramid pose. Letting go with the breath here. Inhale, halfway lift, walk your hands inside the right foot, turning to face the long edges of the mat again. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, hands to the hips, flat back, lift up slowly. Take your eagle arms here one last time, wrapping your left arm underneath the right. Inhale, elbows and chest up, gaze towards the sky. Feeling the opening through the shoulders. Exhale, fold slowly into your wide-legged forward fold. Take a deep breath in and breath out, let it go. Release the arms, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, walk your hands back to the front of the mat where we begin, framing the left foot. Step back into plank, flow through chaturanga one more time, moving with the breath, and meet me in upward facing dog. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, breathe. From here, lower your knees wide, bring your big toes together and sink your hips back into child's pose. Relaxing everything down. Let the forehead rest on the mat, arms forward or by your sides. Take a long, slow breath in and a soft release out. Rest here for 3 deep breaths, letting your whole body soften. Slowly rise up into tabletop position. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Breathe in and reach your left arm to the sky, opening through the chest. Exhale, thread it underneath, twisting through the torso for a shoulder stretch. Resting the left shoulder and cheek on the mat. Let the hips stay high, feeling the release through the upper back. Breathe in and breathe out. Now press into your right hand and unwind back into tabletop, doing the other side. Inhale, right arm lifts. Exhale, thread it under for the other side. Take 3 deep breaths here on your own. Slowly come back into tabletop one more time. Walk your hands forward, keeping your hips stacked over your knees. Exhaling, begin to lower your chest down towards the mat, bringing your forehead or chin on the mat. Feel that deep release from your lower back through the spine to the shoulders. Heart melts towards the ground, spaciousness across the upper chest. Gently walk your hands back and find your way into a comfortable cross-legged seat. On your inhale, lift your arms up, lengthen through the spine, palms touch. Exhale, twist gently to the right, left arm on the opposite knee and right arm comes behind you. Chest is open, spine is long. Gaze softly over the right shoulder, breathing into your twist. Inhale, lift your right arm up and over to the center now, bringing it on top of the opposite knee. Exhale, twist to the other side, left arm behind you. Shoulders are relaxed, chest is open. Inhale, left arm up and over through center to the opposite knee. Pause for a moment here, rounding up the spine for the exhale. Release the arms, extend your legs out long in front of you for seated forward fold. Place your hands on the mat beside you to find length through the spine. Breathe in, reach arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips, letting the hands land wherever they do naturally. You can have a bend in the knees and wrap your arms around them if that's where you are today. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Let everything soften down now. Closing your eyes if that feels good. Feel the backs of the legs release. Let your breath push slowly into the back body. On each exhale, imagine every bit of tension melting down towards the ground. Allowing yourself to be held by the shape, letting go a little more with the breath. Maybe checking in with yourself. How are you feeling this morning? Is there anything you want to let go before starting the day? Let it all out with the breath. Maybe you want to set an intention to carry this ease and steadiness into your day. Rest here for a couple of breaths. Slowly begin to lift your chest, rolling up through your spine, feeling the calm you cultivated through your practice. Let this softness stay with you as you move into the rest of your day, a reminder that you can turn to your breath and to yourself anytime you need. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.